Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Linux. Getting Roblox to run smoothly on a Linux operating system requires a few specific steps, but it is entirely achievable. We will focus on utilizing compatibility tools that bridge the gap between Windows applications and your Linux environment. By the end, you will have a clear, reliable method for enjoying your favorite Roblox experiences. This approach ensures a consistent performance, letting you dive into the game without major hurdles. Before we begin the installation, gather a few essential software components. First, you will need Wine, which is the cornerstone for running Windows programs on Linux. Next, we highly recommend using Grapejuice or Lutris. These frontends streamline the Wine setup, making the process much smoother, especially for a complex application like Roblox. Lastly, make sure your Linux system has all its latest updates installed, as this often resolves potential compatibility issues proactively. Let us install Grapejuice, which provides an optimized environment for Roblox. For most distributions, you can find installation instructions on the official Grapejuice GitHub page or through community guides. Typically, this involves adding a repository and then using your package manager, like apt or DNF, to install it. The setup is generally straightforward, guiding you through each step to ensure all necessary dependencies are met. With Grapejuice now installed, you can proceed with setting up Roblox itself. Open the Grapejuice application, and you will typically find an option to install the Roblox player. This process downloads the official Roblox installer and automatically configures it within a dedicated Wine environment. Once complete, Grapejuice can even generate a convenient desktop shortcut for you, making future launches quick and seamless. Expect this download and installation to take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.